Welcome to Manjula Devi Irrigation Software Training Center. Okay, in this video we are going to see how we are going to do the ducting. Ducting can be done in two methods, manual and automatic. First we are going to see automatic method. Okay, for automatic method we need to do some settings. Okay, either you can click HVAC here, this down arrow, or mechanical or plumbing, or if you go for manage in MEP settings, mechanical settings, or either you can type MS, you will get this. Okay, here some mechanical settings are there. Hidden line, what type of draw MEP hidden line. If you tick enable this, then only you can draw MEP hidden lines. Okay, line type, what type you want, you can change here. Inside gap, outside gap, single line, what's the sizes. Duct setting, okay, you can do these settings. Flat on top, flat on bottom setup. Okay, about these settings. Then angle, okay, fitting angle. Okay, you are going to use elbows. What angle you want, use any angles, man, you can use any angle. Okay, whichever as per system, it will take any angle. Incremental means just increment angle. If I put here 10 degree, then 10, 20, 30 only it will take. We cannot go for 25 or 35 like this. Use specific angles, only these angles will be used. I can untick other than 90, either all the items. Now only 90 degree angles will be created. If I go 60, 60 also will be created. Okay, click conversion. There are three types of ducting. Okay, supplier, airs are the supplier, return air, exhaust air. Okay, if for supplier, the main, what duct type you want, rectangular duct or oval duct or round duct. Into this, what type of elbows you want to use, radius elbow or metered elbow. Here we are going to prefer metered elbow. In this T connection or tap connection, I am going to use T connection. What's the offset? I want at 11 feet because false ceiling is at 10 feet and roof is at 12 feet. Like that, branch duct. Branch duct also we need to select same as main duct. If you are going to use flexible duct, if you specify this, flexible duct also will be drawn, and the maximum flexible duct length as you can change, but acceptable is up to 6 feet only. Rectangular, then what are the sizes available? If you go for new size, you can add new size or delete this size. There is two things are used in size list. If I untick this, then in my while drawing duct, only from 6 inch only it will be available. Okay, and while doing duct sizing, if I untick this, okay, if my up to 8 inch I am untaking, okay, my duct size is coming to 4 inch, it will not take as a 4 inch while calculating, it will take as a 9 inches because minimum size what I given is 9 inch. This is why, because in some areas these sizes are will not be available. Minimum size available is 9 inch. Then I will calculate, it will make up for 4 inch, then I need to convert that into 9 inch. Then take the bill of material. Instead of that, if I click this, so what will happen? 9 inch only, minimum size 9 inch means while calculating bill itself it take us a 9 inch, and while taking bill of material it will be easy for us. Likewise for oval, round, and the calculation, pressure drop calculation, what formula you want, you can select this. Pipe setting we will see later. Okay, click OK. For my automatic method, select any air terminal. Immediately you will get duct. Okay, here contextual tab, create system, duct system. System name, since this is what I have to select is supply air terminal, says as a supply air. If I select return, it will say return air. Okay, mechanical supply air system. If you want, we can change the number based on your room number or anything like space number like that. Okay, click OK. Then here in contextual tab, select edit system. Here add to system, what you want to add, this one. Then select equipment, which equipment you want to connect, this equipment. Click finish. So the system is in blue color highlighting. Okay, Now just hover over this, don't select the air terminal, just keep over this and click tab. You will get a rectangular box, just click. Now you can see another layout. Generate layout, generate placeholder. Placeholder is 2D. Okay, just it will 2D show in 2D. Then once again you need to go for layout only. So instead of that I am going for generate layout. You try for generate placeholder and check. Okay, if you have any doubts you can command me. I will explain once again about generate placeholder. Just directly I am going for generate layout. So in this we are having three solution type: network, perimeter and intersect. So I click, these are the system. If you click arrows you will get. Okay, likewise in perimeter we are having 5 systems, intersection we are having 4 solutions, in network we are having 5 solutions. Click, select which system you want, then click finish. So your system is generated. Okay, now okay, go for view, sorry, not in view, analyze, go for show disconnect, enable duct. Okay, so if you see, this thing is connected properly. Here no duct is connected, no duct is connected, no duct is connected, so it's showing as a warning. So once again show disconnect, disable this, click OK. In next video we will see how to do manual method.